So, I got this today, and it's from Shannon Green. There was this card that she made with her colored paper and her the 5-petal flowers and some doodles, and a nice sweet message in the back, and some colored papers. So yay! Thank you. I don't know which I like best, this or this. I think I like this. We'll see. And is this new potatoes with summer savory. What is summer savory? I don't know. Baby crown roast of lamb with coriander. So thank you very mucho, Shannon. I shall be incorporating them in something that I do. Thanks, Shannon. I really appreciate it.